This 2025 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2518S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 25 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep's 4 carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, spare tire kit, refrigerator, external shower, stovetop burner, slide-out, skylight, TV antenna, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2518S is 5,619 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.